Hey guys, Mike with Lucky Nubs Barbecue. Grilling season is basically upon us. Here in Southern California, it is year-round. A couple things you need to remember in cleaning your grill. A clean grill is a safe grill. We have all kinds of different grill tools and accessories to choose from. When it comes to brushes, you want to make sure you have a safe brush. The things you need to stay away from are any brush that has the metal bristles. Those bristles do come dislodged. And they can stay on the grill, get in your food. When you eat it, it can get in your mouth. You can swallow it, get in your intestines. It's not good for you. This brush is a 50-50 brush. 50% good, 50% bad. This has a synthetic pad you can use to scrape your grill. Remember, heat your grill up before you brush it. That'll get all the bits and nibblies off there. But this side is not good. Here is a 100% not safe brush. It is all metal bristles, not good. This is, they call it a safer brush. It's all synthetic is what you're looking for. Has a nice area to scrape with there, scrape down your grill. In the event this did get dislodged and you did ingest it, this is nylon. Should not, I'm not a doctor, I don't play one on TV, but should not hurt you. Here's another style brush, great scraping surface edge on there. These pads are synthetic and they're replaceable. This is a safe brush. You have another style, which is a hand one. This particular one has 3 pads it comes with. They're replaceable. Take it off like Velcro, stick the other 2 on. This is a safe brush. You can buy pretty inexpensive grill kits that has a safe brush. Nylon, it's got a spatula, not gonna come apart. A knife with a protective sheath and some tongs. So grill season should be a safe, fun season. Make sure you clean your grill, clean it good, clean it with a safe brush, non-metallic. Guys, with that said, this is a quick tip for today. This is Mike with Lucky Nubs Barbecue. If you like quick tips and pointers like this, please subscribe, like, share with your friends. Other than that, guys, with that said, we will see you at the grill. And there goes the wife.
Okay, you good?